I'm filming. Mate, go. Just go. Where's all the water gone?
George is behind you. He's got a good meal there. A lot higher up when you stand up.
Come on. Backflip, Alan.
Can him did stand
He did it.
That's awesome.
Come on, Vix. Come on, Vicky. Rebecca. Come on. Come.
Come on, Vicky. Come on, Vic.
It's not.
Oh, big sense.
Come on, I'm going to run out of film. Just jump in. Go downstairs and jump off there then. Good lad. Come on! Come on, Cam, show me how it's done. Cam, come on. I'm filming you, Cam. You dirty boy. Cam.
Come on.
Hurry up.
Sure, I'll push you, get me.
I will in a minute.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Anybody else?
You said it was wrong!
We're lying about that. Bloody freezing. Oh yes, we started it.
It's like watching lemmings jump off a cliff. You go ahead in, Bex. They've all gone.
Where are they?
In the water. Just there. Just going back to the back.
Fucking salty.
Yeah. What for?
I know, I want to slide in too.
Off your pop.
Sorry? He came back up after ages. I was like, I thought, oh my god, why is he come back up? I got scared. What's happening? Where is he? I'm waiting till they get back.
You're a coward.
No, I'm not. Oh, yeah, that's better.
Oh, it's like swan lake.
I'm surprised slide into the water.
Have you got?
Oh, it's not in the back.
Do you know what I'm doing there downstairs? When it's like that little jump, it's probably going to come off.
Keep your arms tight.
Hey, you've wet it, you shit.
I can swim,
What is this?
but I don't want to jump.
Come on, Becky.
What does that mean?
Need to change the tape. Right, it's recording.
Yeah.
I can't do it. I am not going back in.
Nice knowing you.
Nice to tell you I don't just want
You'll get the water out, you.
Don't be cheeky.
Come on, come on.
Are you going to do this one with us? Come on!
Your turn.
Come on.
We're not going back in.
Recording. Oh well.
back. Don't slip.
You going in, Cam?